Good afternoon, everyone. Jonathan Davis here with Davis AutoSports, and today we're just presenting to you guys one of our Cherokees that we just wrapped up for a customer all the way from San Antonio, Texas. This Jeep has been in our facility for going on 8 months. We just wrapped it up. This is a pretty thorough build, starting off with the exterior, all brand new paint and body all the way around, top to bottom paint job. Finished in chili pepper red with our own actual blend of color to give it a little bit more metallic. JCR front and rear bumpers, Rubicon Express long arm suspension, Fox shocks. Both front and rear diffs have been fully rebuilt, new gears. JCR side sliders as well. Fully rebuilt engine, entire engine from top to bottom has been fully rebuilt. Worn VR10S synthetic winch. Do want to note, customer did opt for the rear lower quarter cap. Usually we do have a plate over that. Bushwhacker flat flares. $295, $75, 16 BFG all-terrains. Every single steering, suspension, nut, bolt, hardware, drag link, every single thing up front is all brand new. New brakes, ball joints, everything. The entire front assembly of this Jeep is brand new. Entire engine has been built, along with the entire AC and heating system, entire cooling system. There you guys go. If you guys have any questions about any of our future builds or any custom builds, please feel free to contact us directly at 855-XJ-JEEPS. That's 855-955-3377. Thank you.